Looks like you were trying to readjust for a second and then lost your grip.
Yeah. It just doesn't quite do what I tell it to.
It was doing pretty well there though.
Yeah.